Easy. Level cleared. Easy. Nice. Nice. Are you meant to try and get it in one bird? Oh. Nice headshot! Oh, it's possible with one? Oh! Easy. Disgrace. No. Oh, no. One star. One star was like, you're a noob. Wait, hold on. Whoop, Sun and Green, thank you so much for the Aka Super. Thanks for the phone game nostalgia. Thank you so much. You were saying, shut up! How do you do this in one shot again? I totally forgot. This just is gonna be me trying to figure out how to one shot all of these levels. Hold on. I can get 2, but... Oh! Okay, I get it. I can do it. One bird. I'm molding at the second... It's not even the second stage. It's... What if I did left to right instead of right to left? Do you think that would work? Okay, a little bit lower. It's supposed to be dominoes, right? Come on! That's bull. That's bull. That's bull. 3 stars! I get it. I can do it. One bird. Next. I told you.